In this video, we will see how to handle a binary file in Python. So like binary files are like image file, video file, and sound file, voice file are included in binary file. These are binary files. So let's check it out how we handle these files. So binary file are those files which are not readable by human, like image file, video file, and sound file, because data stored in memory in these files are in binary format, but in text file we store text data. So one data type is text data type. We store the text data in raw format. In At last we store the data in binary format, but in raw format we store the data in text format. But for image, the data are being stored in binary format in memory. Like for image, each pixel intensity are stored in memory. For videos, each pixel intensity in time scale are stored. For sound, intensity and other parameters are stored in binary format, and these files are not readable by human. It is readable by a software, and it decode the binary file, and it show the images, videos, and sound. So so how to handle these files? Like you here you can see, I this is sorry I am this is my Python file, where this is my Python file I am currently working with, handling a binary file. This is my Python file. In this file I am coding, and this in this folder it has one more folder which is files. In this files I have image1.png file. Let's This is a binary file. Let's perform some operations on this file, like writing on this file, reading this file, and other operations as well. So how can we perform this? So let's check it out. So I am opening my coding file. So open what I want to open. So it was my file was is my my image file is in files folder. So this is files, then slash, then which file I have, the image.png. So I am now open this file as f open this file. No, and I am opening with, and in this pass I'm performing nothing. That is why I'm using pass keyword. Let's check this out. It will open or not. So it has opened. So I want to, now it has closed because it is out of it. Now our pointer is out of width, so that's why f is closed as well. Now again, see, I want to perform some operation. Now again, f dot read, read, because by default opening file is in read file, so I am reading this file. Now let's check this out. Now it is saying char map codec cannot decode bytes in position 57, character map to undefined. So actually, because in image file their encoding are based on binary, so it is, so in this case we are not able to read this file. So uh, if we want to read this, let's check this out. Can we read it or not? So we want to read it. So I'm opening in read mode, and there is one more encode. Encoding is a binary. We can use B as well. So let's check this out. It is able to read or not. So it is again unknown encoding. So binary. So let's check this out again. So it is saying what is encoding, it unknown encoding. So actually I don't remember which encoding it is using to encode this image file. So I have to open this file. I have to check this out in which what encoding has been used to encode the image file. So as of now, I am not able to open this file in this way. So again, the second way is to open this file. Like if we have one mode is a Unicode, Unicode, but it is not able to. Unknown is Unicode. Why? So there is some problem, I think. So it is not able to open this file, open text file or read text file in this mode, in read mode. So how can we read the file, a binary file? So we have to open the file in read binary format. So Control Z, I am opening this file in binary format. So how we can do this? So just so actually read binary WB RB as F, and now I want to read. And what is readed? Content, store in content is equal to this. So we can check this after reading using content variable keyword what was in this image file. So this is I now you can see there is no problem while reading the a binary file when we open a binary file using RB mode, means read binary form mode. So let's check this out. What is content? It has read this file. So let's so it you you can see that this is the file. This is the content of my image. So this is my content. So can I add these content? So let's just content plus content is my new content. So let's do this. I want, so let's do this. Content, my new content is making new content. My new content is, so new content is content plus content or into content into 2. So this is my new content. Let's check this out. It my new content is equal to old content. Let's check this out. So this is false. So what if I want to write new content in a file. So opening a new file. So with open files, uh, files, files slash, I am creating a new file from my name RIP dot png. I am creating my new file rip.png because you can see here there is no rip.png file, so it will create a rip.png file and do the operation. So creating rip.png file, because it will not able to, if this is not present, then it will create and open. So I want to write in write new content in this file. So write binary as f now f, how to write f dot using write keyword. Why what I want to write new content I want to write. So just execute this, and now let's check this out. So you can see here rip.png file here. So now this file become this. Before this it was like this. You can see that these both file are almost same. His size is 36, but previous one is 363 KB and this one is 726 KB. So why these are not being changed? So it is actually the out of course, I this actually out of this conversation, I will explain why will it will not changing even I am adding to content, old content. So in the for this you have to understand how uh, image data generated and how these are image data being stored in a computer disk. So after understanding these, you can easily able to edit, or you can say edit or modify any image as you want. So but this is not the course, so I am not explaining this. And these are being used in Adobe and other software company to modify the image at root. So I am not explaining this here. So can I open video file as well? This is my video file. You can see that this is my video file. So this is my video file. So this is my, can I open this file and can I open this file? Yes, we can open this file. Just change the name. Change the name. What was my file? Just tab, and this is my video file, and I want to open this in read binary, and then I want to read and just erase this, and my video content, assign it to video is equal to this. Now check this out, execute this. Now check this out, what is video? It is actually binary format. So how we define this is binary? So for binary data, it is b, it is a b string. These are in b string. That is we can say that this is binary data. You can here at last, you can see the here at last, it is these data are in binary string, b string, means these are binary data. Let's check this out, what is the type of video, to confirm this is binary or not. So here you can see it is bytes. Bytes is 0 and 1. So I think this not byte is not 0 and 1. Bytes is actually 8 bit. Byte is equal to 8 bit, and bit is 0 and 1. Qubit is 0 and 1, and both present in same 0 1 and 0 1 in 1. These are being used in quantum computer. In normal computer there are bit, and in quantum computer there are qubit. So I think you understood how to handle a binary file and what is binary file, why cannot read a binary file in read text mode or read mode, and what is encoding, and what is one more here it has, it is decoding. I think it of decoding, it has it support decode. No, it not support decode. I have to check the documentation. So it is only encoding. So I will explain what is encoding also. Encoding is actually that how we are going to encode the data, like encoding then decoding the data, like creating a new message, new type format of a message, and then decode a data at receiver to maintain the security. So this is the encoding and decoding, converting the data in other format like text to binary is converting the data in other format. So I think this is enough for this video. In next video we will see other operations as well. So thanks for watching.